you want to be a gardening wizard, plant zinnias. They are the absolute easiest cutting garden flower to grow. The more that you cut the blooms off to bring them inside, the more they will bloom. And they start growing, or they germinate, so fast. Let me show you the seeds that I planted last week. 1 week and they're already popping up. That's all it takes. 1 week of babying and they will already germinate. You don't need any kind of special contraption in order to get the seeds to start. You can literally plant them directly into your garden, and within a week, just make sure that you keep the seedling area slightly moist, and in 1 week they will be growing. And let me show you what this patch of the garden is going to look like this summer.